All right, I want you to picture this. Imagine arriving at your office tomorrow morning. You unlock the front door, flip on the lights, and suddenly discover that your company has just hired 5 brand new employees overnight. And get this, just look at what these 5 new hires can actually do. One of them is answering customer questions 24/7, literally never missing a single beat. Another one is drafting highly targeted marketing content in, what, a few minutes? A third is crunching your entire sales history to predict tomorrow's trends. The fourth is meticulously managing your overflowing inbox and scheduling all your meetings. And the fifth, they're busy qualifying and following up with leads. Now, here is the absolute most incredible part of this entire scenario. None of these new workers are ever going to ask you for a salary. They don't take vacations, and they certainly don't need coffee breaks. Because they're AI employees. Welcome to the future of business, folks. Today in this explainer, we are going to dive deep into why AI employees are becoming one of the absolute biggest business transformations of our entire generation, and exactly why every single business owner needs to be paying very, very close attention right now. So, here is our roadmap for today. We'll be covering the new business revolution, defining the AI employee, AI in action today, the small business advantage, the future of work, and finally, how to start today. Okay, let's jump right into section 1, the new business revolution. We are moving from machines to intelligent software. If you look back at history, every major technological revolution has fundamentally flipped the way businesses operate. In the 1700s, the Industrial Revolution brought us machines that completely transformed manufacturing. Fast forward a bit to the 1990s, and the internet era connected local mom-and-pop shops with customers around the entire globe. Then, in the 2000s, cloud computing came along and suddenly made incredibly powerful software available to companies of absolutely every size. And now, welcome to the 2020s. Artificial intelligence is sparking another massive revolution. But notice the difference here. This time, it is not physical machines replacing physical labor. It's intelligent software helping people perform knowledge work faster and, honestly, way more effectively. The businesses that are adopting AI today, they are literally pouring the concrete foundation for their success tomorrow. Moving right along to section 2, defining the AI employee. Because we need to look way beyond this idea of a robot sitting at a desk. Seriously, we need to completely demystify this right now. An AI employee is not some metallic sci-fi robot sitting in a cubicle clacking away at a keyboard. It's an intelligent digital assistant designed specifically to perform business tasks as a specialized team member. Actually, think of it exactly like that. A specialist. You've got one AI employee handling all the customer questions, another one is crunching the financial data, another is drafting your social media posts. They are highly specific tools for highly specific tasks. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but no, these systems do not replace human creativity or leadership. AI is hyper-focused on removing the boring, repetitive work. It delivers crazy speed, accuracy, and processes massive amounts of information. And what that does is keep the human focus securely on the good stuff: creativity, complex problem-solving, and building genuine relationships. Basically, AI just frees us up to do what humans actually do best. All right, section 3, AI in action today. Let's get into some real-world business applications. If we peek inside a real company right now, this technology is wildly practical. Let's say you're in e-commerce. If a customer visits your online store at 2 a.m., an AI assistant is right there answering their questions instantly and even recommending products. In marketing, instead of staring at a blinking cursor for hours, AI suggests headlines, drafts copy, and analyzes what your audience is actually trending toward. Over in sales, the system is reviewing hundreds of inbound inquiries to prioritize the hottest leads, so your human sales team knows exactly who to call first thing in the morning. And in finance, AI is busy detecting unusual spending patterns and automatically forecasting your cash flow. The human employees, they're still making the final calls. The AI is simply teeing everything up so they can work so much faster. Which perfectly tees up section 4, the small business advantage. This is all about doing more with your existing resources. There is this massive misconception out there that AI is only for the huge Fortune 500 corporations with endless budgets. But today, affordable AI tools literally allow small businesses to compete with much larger organizations. That old myth? It's just absolutely no longer true. A small company leveraging AI automation can respond faster, serve a way larger volume of customers, and operate with a level of efficiency that used to require a massive payroll. AI is becoming a total game changer, specifically because it lets smaller teams punch way above their weight class with the exact resources they already have on hand. Let's move into section 5, the future of work. Let's talk about what working alongside artificial intelligence really looks like. Okay, we have to address the elephant in the room. The biggest question people always ask is, will AI replace my job? Well, the reality is a bit more complex than a simple yes or no. Throughout all of history, technology has changed the nature of work, rather than just eliminating it entirely. The winning businesses of the future are going to combine human emotional intelligence, leadership, and critical thinking with the incredible speed of AI. Make no mistake, the most valuable employees in the workforce won't be the ones trying to stubbornly compete against AI. They're going to be the ones who figure out how to expertly work alongside it.
And finally, Section 6, How to Start Today. Here is your roadmap for integration.
If you are a business owner listening to this, please do not try to transform your entire company overnight. Start small. Step 1 and 2, just identify those highly repetitive, mind-numbing tasks in your daily operations. From there, Step 3, experiment with just one single automation project where an AI can save you some time. Step 4, actually measure your results to see if it worked. And then Step 5, you can expand gradually. Your goal here isn't to haphazardly chase every single shiny new AI tool that hits the market. No way. The goal is to solve your real business problems with the right technology. At the end of the day, artificial intelligence is no longer just some passing tech trend. It is rapidly becoming a core, foundational part of exactly how modern businesses operate. The companies that take the time to thoughtfully embrace AI today, they're going to be significantly more productive, much more competitive, and perfectly equipped for whatever future growth comes their way tomorrow. So the question is no longer whether AI will become part of business. The only question left is, will your business lead the transformation, or will it struggle to catch up? Really think about that for a second. If you found this explainer valuable today, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and definitely share it with someone who is interested in the future of business. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to tune in to our next deep dive, where we are going to unpack exactly how successful companies are building complete end-to-end AI-powered business ecosystems. See you then.